What are we cooking today, Joyce?
Your favorite, cheese on cardboard.
Oh, great.
No, we're making a ham and cheese sandwich, but it's an open face. Turn on the oven, 350, preheat. I'm gonna make some cheese lace. You're basically making a round shape.
Is that a baking sheet?
Yes, it's a baking sheet, it's non-stick.
Can you use foil?
Yeah, but this one is specially made for like doing things like this. I should spread out a little bit more. 4 should be enough, right?
For me, yeah. We should make 6, Joyce.
6? I might not have enough cheese. She said that I can eat it like potato chip. This is better than potato chip. Then I have 1. You have 4. That's the math, right? Poor Joyce. Make it round, make it even. There's no wrong way of doing it. You go in the oven for like 10 minutes and then we'll check. I should warm up the ham.
Cooked, right?
Yeah, but we roasted it. You want a piece?
Sure.
When can you say no to food? Good, right? I'm going to warm it up.
In a toaster?
No, I'm going to put it in the oven. And since the oven is on anyway, I'm going to put it in. This is a classic brioche bread. Brioche bread.
That from the farmer's market?
That's from the farmer's market. We'll cut you a piece that is thinner. You want less carb, right? And then I want it thick. I'm going to toast it a little bit, and then I'm going to put an extra piece of cheese on top for yours, and I'm going to put butter on mine.
Do you prefer butter over cheese, Joyce?
Well, for this case, yeah. Now I'm blocking my own way.
Can you not use a toaster?
Don't waste so much energy. See if this is done. Okay, you have to let it sit, because if you don't let it sit, then it won't be flat. You want to have like a shape of a cup. You put it on a cylinder when it first come out, because it's soft. Actually, this one is yours because it's thinner. I'm gonna put butter on mine.
Can't have butter and cheese, Joyce?
You can have. You want?
I don't know. Maybe.
Have a heart attack.
Butter has no cholesterol.
Really? Then we'll put it back and let it melt. I think that should be enough, right? I should have taken it out earlier, then it would be easier. But then it would be less butter. What's the point?
Exactly.
We are bad. Okay, I'm going to put it back.
It should melt fast, right, Joyce?
Yeah, I'm going to put it on the top too. Then we can put it together. Take it out. This hardened. It doesn't stick. I'm going to get rid of some of the extra fat. You need to sort of go around to separate it. I'm going to take it out because before we burn it. Yours look better. Always the case. I should turn this off. It's done. Don't burn yourself, Jay. Wow, really hot. Good. There's a bone to Colvin doesn't want. That should be enough, right? Then I'm going to put a couple pieces of endive. I will cut the end.
The end of the endive?
Yeah, the end of the endive. Dry it up a little bit. I'll flatten it. The cheese. See, like perfect timing that it's hardened.
Yeah. Wow. Picture time.
No.
Oh.
No.
Not yet?
The main thing.
Oh, of course.
Of course. Why you can skip it? You want to eat the cheese, that's why. I'm not going to put it on the cheese because I don't want to make the cheese soggy. Too much though. Picture
time! That's really good, Joyce.